Going.
Okay.
Okay, here is little Sydney and Ella. Her tail's just awake. Let me see her face. Hi, Miss Sydney.
Okay.
Okay, Walker, come over here. Okay, here is the purple collar, Nicole's puppy. They're all so sad. They're 5 weeks old now.
Get the cake.
6 weeks old. Excuse me, Ella, sorry. Walker's doing a great job holding him. He looks uncomfortable. Go over that way. Next, you're standing
Here's Chrissy's puppy, the red collar.
Here's the red. They're all getting such pretty coats. They are doing good. Okay.
Here's Macy.
Here's Miss Macy, who I think they're coming to see again here. So.
Okay.
Yeah, it's getting hard to video. Here they are down here. They are getting very big. And they're using the potty system really well. Oh, here they all are. Here's the purple collar. And who's this one on the end? There's the lime green collar.
Macy, right?
You can't even see the dark green collar.
Macy. Macy. Yeah, you want to dance? Come on.